Hey everyone! If you want to create AI videos and images without spending money, Runway offers a free plan that's perfect for getting started. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Runway ML for free step by step. First, open your web browser and go to the official Runway website. Click Sign Up and create a free account using your email, Google, or Apple account. Next, sign in to your new account. You'll automatically be placed on the free plan, which includes a one-time allocation of free credits along with access to selected AI tools. Content reference OSite, 0 index equals 0 now. From the dashboard, click *** new project * and choose the AI tool you want to use, such as text to image to video, or another available feature. Enter a clear prompt or upload an image if the tool supports it. The more specific your prompt is, the better your AI-generated results will usually be. After that, adjust any available settings, then click *generate ***. Runway will use your free credits to create your image or video, so once the generation is complete, preview the result. If you're happy with it, download or export your project. If not, you can edit your prompt and generate again while you still have free credits. Finally, keep an eye on your remaining credit balance from your account dashboard so you know how many free generations you have left. And that's it. Yeah, you've successfully learned how to use Runway ML for free. Now you can explore AI-powered creativity without paying up front and decide later if you need a paid plan. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.